How to color your rattan furniture. Rattan furniture is a common sight on porches, gardens and parlors. Depending on the room in which you use it, rattan furniture can lend an air of informality or elegance. Rattan needs little care when kept inside, but if your furniture is exposed to the elements or you just want to change its color, fresh paint and some new cushions can dramatically alter the look of your furniture. Things you will need: latex gloves, tarp, stiff brush, sandpaper, vacuum, soft cloth, paintbrush, oil-based primer, oil-based paint, matching spray paint. Place a tarp on the floor to protect it from old paint chips and oil-based paint. Remove any peeling paint with a stiff brush. Brush with enough force to lift away the paint, but not so hard as to scratch or damage the rattan. Sand rough spots with medium grit sandpaper. Remove dust and paint chips with handheld vacuum. Wipe any remaining debris from cracks and crevices with a clean cloth. Put on your latex gloves. Prime the furniture with a coat of oil-based wood primer. Allow the primer to dry, then apply another coat. Painting the furniture with a spray can product is quicker, but you use more product and make more of a mess because of the furniture's open weave. Save the spray can for nooks and crannies later. Turn the furniture upside down. Paint the legs of each piece with oil-based paint. Allow the paint to dry, then apply a second coat. When the second coat is dry, turn the furniture upright on its legs and apply an even coat to the tabletop, chair back, arms and seat. Spot apply matching spray paint on small, hard-to-reach areas as needed. Allow it to dry fully. Apply a coat of clear varnish or shellac to the painted rattan. Allow several days for the furniture to dry before use.